Hello, everyone. Okay, today we are going to share a really quick tip on how to get your content indexed quickly. After you've spent the time to blog and get your content out on your website, we want to make sure that it gets indexed quickly because that gives you more opportunity to drive traffic to your website for Google to know what your content is about, improve your SEO overall. So, this is what we want to do. So, the very first thing you should do is make sure that you have Google Search Console set up. This will connect with your domain, and once it's set up, you'll be able to see your performance and your traffic. This is then where you can see how many pages you have indexed. Another quick little trick if you don't have Google Search Console set up is you can go ahead and type in site colon your website, and you'll be able to see, okay, here's all my content that Google has already indexed that is all related to my website. So it'll all be different subdomains of your website that pop up. So you can see how many things are here, about 126 results. Understanding how many pages of your website can help you understand, okay, that's everything, or I might be missing something. So once you kind of understand how much of your content you have indexed, the next thing you want to do is pop into Google Search Console. So I just posted this blog post today, meaning that this blog post likely isn't on Google yet. So I am going to check by going up to this inspect, pasting in the exact URL of the page, and I'll be able to see right here, my URL is not Google. Click this button, takes a couple minutes to process, but then Google will go ahead and add it to its queue so that the content can be crawled. So if you are consistently creating content, consistently posting something, Google might begin to learn and understand when you're posting content and then crawl your website accordingly based on that. If you are inconsistent at it, Google might not know when to crawl your website. So this can be a really good habit to make sure that every time you post a new blog post, you go grab that URL, plop it into Google Search Console, and request a crawl so that you can get on Google even faster and get your content indexed to grow your SEO. So let us know if you have any questions, but this is a really good tip to make sure that after you spent all that time posting your blog, you might as well make sure that Google knows about it. All right, talk to you guys later.